Welcome to this delicious culinary presentation. Today I am going to guide you through the preparation of a unique and irresistible dish, the orecchiette of burnt grain with golden eggplant, dates, and pistachio granola. Get ready to immerse yourself in an explosion of flavors and discover the secrets of this Mediterranean delicacy. Cut a large eggplant into cubes as shown in the video. Add the olive oil. Add the salt. Place in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the shallot. Sauté the shallot in a pan with olive oil. Add the sauce, in this case add canned cherry tomatoes. Add the salt and spices, marjoram, thyme, oregano, and pepper. Strain out the baking dish with the eggplant and add breadcrumbs mix and place back in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees for 10 minutes until the eggplant is golden brown and toasted. Cook the pasta. When the water comes to a boil, add the orecchiette di grano arso. Strain the eggplant and add it to the cherry tomato sauce. Drain the pasta al dente and add it to the pan with the sauce. Finally, add the pistachio granules. Plate and serve piping hot. There you have our orecchiette di grano arso with golden eggplant, datterini, and the crunchy pistachio granola. I hope you enjoyed this culinary experience and delight your guests' palates with this unique and flavorful dish. Enjoy!